Okay. Okay, everyone. We're live. Oh. All right, now we're live. Something like this. Something like this. Open up the Twitch something. Uh Open up the creator dashboard. Update the stream title. All right. Thank you, Seribot. If no one got my back, at least Seribot got my back. Am I right? Anyway. What am I doing? Oh, I have my notes page open right here. Also, let me move that. Anyway, the post-jam bug fixes. Let's make that smaller, actually. Okay, what am I doing? The UI is freaking broken as hell, and I know it. We all know it. Everyone knows it. Let's turn on some background music. Oh yeah, let's go. Hello, Temp. How's it going? Thank you again for helping with the art. I really like the background. It is nice. And the slots too, and the ability icons, UI, status effect icons. Okay, well, pause menu, pausing should be pretty straightforward. Did so little want to do more. It's okay. I mean, I don't know. If you get something done, that's good, right? I feel like I did a lot. I feel like, depending on your responsibilities, that might not be feasible for everyone, so totally understandable. What am I looking for? Oh, right, Godot. It's like get tree pause or something. Oh, pausing games and process mode. Get tree.paused. Yeah, that's it. And then also make sure that the pause menu has process mode. Always. Always. Or it could also be when pause, depending on how you set it up. Anyway. And then if game state paused equals not game state paused. Get tree dot paused equals game state dot paused. I could do a setter function on game state dot paused. Is that a good idea? I'd like to see the game fleshed out. It's fun. It'd be fun to find synergies. I would also like the game to be more fleshed out. I do think that this game would benefit from more strategic variety and depth. Accidentally melting idols was a nice surprise. So actually, I was thinking for more like handcrafted NPC encounters as opposed to more like fighting actual player teams encounters. Sort of taking inspiration from Slay the Spire, right? Although I was watching a video about the Bazaar, which is currently in closed beta, which is like there's a Northern Lion street or video titled, it's like the baby between Slay the Spire, Super Auto Pets, and Hearthstone. Like, hey, that's two of the three games that were inspiration for my game. So I was watching a video about the Bazaar, and one of the mechanics I remember was that it's like a PvE game, but at certain points in the run, it takes like a snapshot of your team, your build, and then and then that snapshot of the team, you face another person's snapshot of their team at that point in the run, and then your snapshot of your team faces other people, and then you get like ranked based on that. So I was wondering how I could, like, if I could, maybe, like, mix it up like that. Mini bosses, probably easier to balance single boys. Yeah, yeah, that's what I was thinking. But, I mean, a PvP mode would be kind of cool. But I'm thinking for further down the line. Anyway, from my understanding, for the jam, they're okay with anything other than, like, content. So bug fixes are totally fine. during the voting period, which is why I am considering this a bug fix. Like the other change I made. Hold on, I should probably... I mean, I could make a git tag for... Hold on, let's check the git history. I actually made 2 commits already. So the last commit for the jam was... starts with 9F5B148. Sound, add BGM, and volume slider. That was the last commit for the jam release as of last night. Then the 2 commits today I did that I have not pushed yet. Make the BGM loop. That was a big oversight. And then character fix, mouse overstay, and alt tab. I just added something to the character script here. Should make the notes smaller probably. In character in this script, I just added this, so it checks if your mouse has left the characters. Left the character every frame. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad with the number of characters you have. I mean, this game probably isn't concerned about performance at all, which is a good thing for me to not have to worry about that. Anyway, so yeah, I had a couple NPC ideas. Again, this is gonna be later down the line. This is more for yeah, for the jam bug fix today, but for later, I want to add more content. Hello, Teresa Nadia, checking things every frame is tight. Are you winning, son? Hello, Islef. Well, I got 2 commits in today before stream. And then I took a long nap. Ate some good food. Some dim sum. And then... So yeah, the character mouse overstate should be better because I saw one of the people in the jam Discord. Yeah, Red Ward Studio played through all the games in the jam, and so I saw his playthrough, and that helped. That is useful because it showed me all the UI annoyances that I need to fix. So what happens when you click off a menu that pops up and pops open? It should close that menu. Mine does not do that. So I'm gonna make it do that. And then the other part is just making the buttons not have that annoying ass overlapping issue. Anyway, what was I doing? I was working on the pause menu actually. Totally tangential. If you fuse to level 0, then use that to upgrade another higher level. You only get 1 XP. 0 out of 10 would not play. I was wondering if I should change that. It does seem a little weird. So would the expected behavior be to like combine their total XP values, and then would it give you all the skill points? Like effectively that would let you like respec a higher tier character. Oh wait, that's probably a good idea for like making the strategy more interesting, giving you more of a chance to like respec, I guess. So if you combine 2 units, should we make it so you can combine maxed units? Because right now you get like 7 total ability points, right? Well, 6 additional ones from the first level you get in the first ability. That also seems kind of strategically limiting if you're always forced to take 1 point in the first ability. So I'm wondering, I guess it would be a little weird for a character to do nothing at first, but I'm wondering if like maybe you like buy a character from the shop, they have 0 points in any abilities, but you have 1 point to spec into any ability you choose. Software QA engineer walks into a bar. Orders -1 beers, orders 0 beers, orders A beers. Develops a fuzzing script to order every combination of random letters from the bar. I was trying to make the pause menu pause, but also I was talking about potential gameplay stuff. Another thing I want to add is items that was on the plan and then moved to post jam. But I want items similar to like relics in Slay the Spire, but also I was taking inspiration from, I was thinking about the jokers in Balatro. I was thinking, what if you have like 5 player item slots or like some limited number of player item slots, and then you like swap out the player items and they have wacky, crazy effects that can synergize very strongly with certain builds, and then you have like early game items, like the early game jokers in Balatro. You have economy jokers, you have scoring jokers, right? What if I do something similar to that, but for this game? So, in addition to the characters being rolled, you get player items being rolled, which are similar to the jokers in Balatro in that they have wacky effects, they can have economic effects, they can have in-combat effects, they can have combat reward effects, stuff like that. So you're choosing between like scaling or just scoring, surviving, whatever, right? And then adding in character items too. I don't know if I want to, how I want to divvy up between like player items and character items. Could get complicated. Like effectively there would be different, they would be do different things, right? So like have a separate pool of character items and then have a separate pool of player items. So then the player items are like your jokers in Balatro, and the character items are like your deck in Balatro, I guess. Like the enhancements on your cards, maybe. And I wasn't sure if I should like limit the number of character items that each character can have. That might be a good idea for, I don't know, just making things interesting for trade-offs and stuff. Anyway, I was gonna, yeah, on pause change. Wait, I do have game state pause changed. Here. Why don't I just, you know, here. Pause change submit value. The only thing that checks this is the pause menu, right? Right? Pause. And then, I mean, I might as well. What could go wrong here? What could go wrong? Get tree. Paused equals val. What could go wrong? Relics are permanent, jokers swap regularly. Interesting. Squash those bugs. Thank you. Chica Champon. Yeah. Yeah, because, I don't know, I've been seeing a lot of people playing Balatro recently. I haven't played it in a while. I haven't played Slay the Spire in a while either. But I was thinking about how it would be interesting if, you know, you have that item limitation, and they have to choose between, do I keep the economic joker or do I keep the, will I survive without this scoring joker so I can get the economic joker for the long-term scaling? Right? That's what I like in these games. And I'd probably lean it more towards PvE over PvP. But I haven't played enough like PvP Autobattlers to really know how those games are balanced or how I could do it. I kind of want wacky things like, was it? Like you said earlier, accidentally melting idols was a nice surprise, right? Hello, JK. Hello, hello. So the pause menu should now actually pause the game. And on we have, was it quit to menu button 2 pressed, does set pause to false. Okay, good. But I also should probably make the main menu always process. Main menu. Main menu also always, okay. Melt the Yoshis. I would think, there's music. I would think a dog boy would know how to code a pause menu, right? Oh, why is the mouse over? Oh, the mouse over event happens even when the node isn't processing? That is interesting. But anyway, if you're in combat and you pause, then yes, it's paused now. Alright, cool. Wait, the damage numbers. The damage numbers, why are they there? Why are they there? I could just, yeah, set, was it damage numbers? Process always? Because it's a, oh, it's an auto load. Globals. It's me, Paul. I changed my name to Oni Wolfie. Hello, Oni Wolfie. About to go back to my work training Zoom meeting. Take it easy. Have a good one, Temp. Yeah. Good luck. Have fun, Temp. Have a good one. What time is it in Japan? It's what? I don't know. Hold on. Wait, let me look up Japan time. Japan time. It is afternoon. Have a good afternoon during working hours. Okay. This VTuber model. Thanks. It was a great deal. It was $17. Check out the artist in the YouTube description. How'd the last game you made go? This one? Oh, FaceJam Autobattler. It is going. It's going. I am working on things. Huh. Display number. I guess I could just, you know, number dot process mode equals process mode always. Yeah, I could just do it in code. I love the thumbnail. Thanks. That didn't do the thing, huh? Weird. Okay. Wait, where does it insert it? Where does it insert the call deferred add child? That's to this node then, right? I love Felix Valenti. I love the thumbnail, thanks. I made it in, I don't know, I just had the idea and I was like, okay, I gotta make the dumb meme. Is this a turn-based game? It is real time. So actually, there's a game called The Bazaar, which isn't even out yet. It's in closed beta. And Northernline's been playing it, and it's like an Autobattler, but it uses timers, and so mine is a similar thing. It is timers-based. Abilities are on timers, so it's sort of real-time, but, you know, for an Autobattler. Or it is real-time. What am I saying? But another mechanic I wanted to yoink from that game for the future is there's like a sudden death system where a sandstorm comes in and all the units start losing HP at an increasing rate. I wanted to do that, but I'm gonna do that when I add healing, when I add like units that heal. I was doom scrolling on Twitter and then Mint posted Yaoi Grape corn of 2 characters I like, so I had to leave. How's the post-jam grind going? It's going. Oh, number Z index equals 5. That's why it's in front of the pause menu. Okay, let's just move the Z index up. Here, pause menu Z index 10. I love CSS. I love exclamation important on all my styles. And now the pause menu is in front of the damage numbers. Oh, the BGM is not. Okay, the BGM is still going. Oh, hold on. BGM... process mode always. There we go. Real time, one at a time. Did you make a game similar to Undertale or maybe a fan game? Like a bullet hell? That's my idea. Actually, I think the next sort of genre I would want to make. Hold on. Here, I should. You know what I should do is, yeah, just get rid of these. If 2. If not game state is dragging, then copy this over. Anyway, what was I saying? Next genre of game that I probably would want to make for like a small project or something would be an idle game, maybe. Like a cookie clicker kind of game. CRPG, let's go! A game that tells a story. That's the story of your VTuber character. I'm not sure. I think I want to make an autism numbers maxing strategy game, not not much of a narrative game. I don't know. I guess that's where my creative ambitions, my creative desires lie. I'm just some guy. I'm just some dog. Some ice cream dog, right? I don't know. I think I've never been that interested in VTuber lore. I mean, it can be cool and all, and if you like it, there's nothing wrong with that, but me personally, I've never been as interested in like VTuber lore outside of, I don't know, occasionally referencing it in kayfabe or whatever, right? When a dog and a bucket of ice cream love each other very, very much. Oh, it'll tell the story of how my parents met. And so it's called Neapolitan ice cream after the tricolor, the Italian flag. Who knows how much creative power you have? Making a game to introduce your character lore would be a creative way of promoting yourself. Crap, you're right. That's genius. Oh, man. Oh, I've gotta now. Oh, man. Not think of the numbers, baby. Yeah, actually, I feel like there's gotta be at least a number of YouTubers who have done that before. Although, if I can't think of a single example, then the number can't be that high, right? That would be kind of cool, right? I remember Beatani doing her visual novel and all. That was actually really cool. I wish more people saw that. It's world building time. Not creative enough to come up with lore. Someone on XDM me the other day asking about lore. I told him it's a gender bent Marisa in a flight suit. Based. Nice. Alright, we're gonna build the lore, not just of this game, but we're gonna like tie it into the Neo-Paulino-verse. Tie it into the FlaVRverse. Start moving one into the FlaVRverse, across the FlaVRverse. It'll be a whole trilogy. Massive multi-million-dollar budget. And then we're gonna sack the entire team when it fails to meet expectations. God. Imagine making a gender-bent lore of your person. VTubers using RPG Maker for their debut streams. Who's Flavor Thanos? Red Fake Mumber. Be whoever you want. Fucking love world building. I write as a hobby. Oh my god. Nice. That's actually cool. I think that's a cool hobby. Me, I don't know. I like numbers. I like games. I like playing with these things. I always kind of wanted to explore this design space, or maybe I just recently decided that I wanted to just explore a design space of like a strategy roguelike kind of game. The thing is, I wasn't always into like strategy games. I was more FPS for a very long time, actually. What do you do if people were to make lewd fan art of you? Please use hashtag Paulinus. And let me see it. Do it. Do it. I dare you. That's the unofficial, unofficial 18+ tag that isn't advertised anywhere. Yo, hi Neo. Hello, Morgie. Hello, Morgie Angel Cakes. Now that I actually know how to read your freaking Twitch name. Get the dog away from that bucket of ice cream. You know, I got a bucket of chicken. Oh, can't even do yet. Do art. What we jamming? We're post jam bug fixing. Oh yeah, have you seen it yet? Here, I'll show you. we'll demo it right now. Phase Snow Autobattler is a Phase Connect themed Autobattler game where you build a team of idols and you make them fight each other to the death. This is Phase Snow Autobattler, and right now we are trying to fix a bug with the UI. This bug here, let's make a level 2 jelly. Also this, yeah, if you this user interface is not great. So here's the problems. One, when you click off a menu like this, you expect it to close. And I noticed one person who was playing the game had a lot of confusion regarding that. Right now, if you click back on the character, then it does the thing. But the other big problem is this. Well, also that this merging mechanic isn't really advertised. Anyway, right now there are some serious issues with these buttons. It worked that time, but very often it doesn't work. And I believe that's due to UI ordering. So I'm just gonna like rewrite a lot of the tooltip code. Anyway. Also, hi JK. World building is perhaps my greatest hobby. Sorry, got some lag. I'm in love. I'm love. Yeah, you can play it right now at on my itch.io, which isn't really advertised anywhere. I should add that to my link tree actually. Hold on. I can do that right now. You know what? We're doing that right now. Okay. On my Twitter, there is a link tree that is not with my YouTube. If I log into... Oh my god, how do I log into freaking Linktree? I'm not even logged in on... Okay, I am logged in on Linktree. Okay. Where's my itch.io? Oh god, are people acknowledging my game? Are people commenting on my game? Oh no. People are acknowledging my game. Oh, we got another jam comment. UI issues also prevented me from playing until I figured out. Yes, that is very annoying. Okay, where's my thing? Where's my like profile? Do I have like a profile page? How does this even work? View profile. Yes, it's this one. neopaulino.itch.io. Here, add. Enter URL. Itch. Itch. We're itching. Where do I put it? I want to put it... I'm gonna move the TikTok down because I've barely been active on that. Okay. Alright, it's on my link tree now. Also, I should probably here. Get noticed, get noticed! Do the characters look nude? Do they? Anyway, here, I'll post the link in both chats because I have both chats open here. You can play the game. You can play the game. It's live, but I'm also working on fixing UI issues right now. Anyway, let's get back to work. Let's get back to UI issues. All right. Big if huge. Huge if big. Big. Big, big chungus, big chunk. Okay. I just want to get rid of these. Make it all in process. Every frame. Check. Do the checks. Every frame. Do the work. Every frame. I don't care. Also, that gets rid of, here. Disconnect these. Alright, there we go. That should make it so the mouse over state doesn't update unpaused. Yes. Oh, we bought Pippa. We bought the Pippa, okay. What was your thought when you were making your first VTuber model? Funny story. This is not the first, so, well, I didn't make this model, I customized it. I bought it from an artist, and it's like a customizable model. I made my Vroid model, and that Vroid model is based off of an AI design, because flavor. And before that, I had actually, was it? So I mentioned Beatani a few times, right? Beatani had a mascot called Listener-chan, or Listener-chan. And it's like a long black hair, small, petite, I'm just going to say loli, with red eyes and a gray hoodie. And so that was like her viewer mascot character. And so she did a live 2D tutorial of her making a VTuber model of that character, and then also providing like the files for you to rig your own live 2D of that character. So I followed along with the tutorial, but it wasn't, I didn't use live 2D. I used Enoshi 2D because I wanted to be cool and use a free open source alternative to live 2D, and it worked pretty fine. There's like one feature that I didn't know about that would have saved me a lot of time that I ended up not using, but I ended up rigging it anyway. Anyway, that was technically the first VTuber model I rigged, I guess. But yeah, I didn't rig this. I recolored and edited it because this is a customizable Chibi model meant for you to, recolor it and edit it. Pin that message. Here we go. All right. Here, play, Fade Snow, Autobattler now. Pin. All right, there we go. All right, cool. And I guess I'll post on YouTube too, and then pin this. Get pinned, get pinned, get pinned, get pinned. Such a cute model. Yeah, I really like how it turned out. Yeah, thank you. Another game released in a broken state with a 5 GB day one patch SMH. You know what? Hello, Irvini. Saying loli is better than saying petite. Loli loli kami kori. I admire your determination to make your own models. I've been too lazy for that. Pin, get pinned. It's really cute. Yeah, I think it's good to be able to do it because I think it's a lot of tedious work. I don't think it's particularly, at least to get like a basic thing done, I don't think it's particularly inaccessible in terms of like skill required. It's just a lot of time. And I'm sure the really big VTuber riggers know how to do a lot of fancy stuff that I probably don't know how to do. But also, I think it's probably good for VTubers to know how to rig their own models if they go for that, just because it costs a lot of money to get a professional rigging job done. Right? Trying the game a bit. Great skill to have. It is, yeah. I've always kind of been interested in like the sort of technical art kind of stuff. If you ever want to learn to rig, I can give you some notes. Oh shit. Yeah, I'll take whatever. Whatever notes you have. I'm probably not looking to looking to get a new model immediately? But I probably do want like a proper non-Chibi model eventually. But I think what I want to do first is like touch up the Vroid model because I do kind of miss my 3D hand tracking and all. There's a great tutorial set I use. Please send me. Thank you. I will hold on to it for eventually. For eventually, sometime in the distant future. Hand tracking rocks. I know, it's fun. It's fun, even if it's super jank in Godot, but works really well in XR Animator. But XR Animator doesn't render my model properly. And also the face tracking's kind of bad. But apparently, I don't know, can VBridger fix that? like vBridger is the lets you tweak parameters, right? For like VMC protocol. I don't know. Anyway, I've gotten no coding done because I've just been chatting. Oh my god, this is like a just chatting stream. Wow, wow. vBridger lets you mostly edit facial parameters. That's like exactly what I was looking for. Anyway, AdSing's VTube Studio doesn't track. Also, we're Discord. Oh right, I said I was gonna make one specifically for the game. There's the flavor Discord, but tell you what. Am I ready for this? I don't know. Once I'm done with social posts for the game, I might make a Discord. I already got the name in mind. It'll be Paulino Gaming, but yeah, probably, yeah. I did say I wanted to make a Discord for the game, so I will probably make a Discord for the game. Let's go! Discord for your kittens, no! I'll be there so fast, give your emotes. I don't have emotes! Unless you count the one. Hold on. There's the one. There's the one. Hold on, let me find it. We can fix that! Actually, yeah. Let me keep that in mind. Hold on, there's this one. So I've mentioned I am based on, so I am part of FlaVR. FlaVR is the real fake VTuber company where Pip and Pippa originally made a bunch of AI designs, and then people picked up the AI designs and started streaming on them. Some of them even like turned them into real VTuber models. I turned mine into a real VTuber model. I was not generated by Pippa. I was generated by another FlaVR talent, Abby, who has since graduated and reincarnated. But when she was streaming, like generating more AI VTubers, she drew this. So this is the one emote. I haven't actually asked her if she's okay with me using this, but I consider this the one actual emote of Neo Paulino. But anyway, speaking of emotes, I am at 411 subscribers on YouTube last I checked, and I was on track for reaching monetization thresholds at the rate the subscriber rate is growing for the watch hours as well. So I will keep that in mind for when I eventually do reach that milestone, which is getting scarily tangible. Scarily tangible. I don't know, it's been so long, and like I think I was like really feeling kind of disappointed at first when I reached like the 1 year mark and I wasn't really there, but the channel's been growing surprisingly at a surprising rate for the past couple months. So if this keeps up, we might actually get there, which is really, I'm really grateful for that. So thank you everyone for watching my content, even if I think my content isn't the best, and I want to make it better, and I want to make it actually interesting enough for people to want to watch. But thank you. Are we partnered, bros? Are we talking about Twitch partner? Again, the Twitch channel has been like not growing for a very long time, but if we actually get like a handful of people to watch the Twitch stream, then I can hit affiliate pretty doably, right? Pretty reachably versus YouTube monetization, which is way harder to hit. Hi Danica, hi Cyclocust. What do you go up soon? The male buff. Life partners. Oh, to a great start. Thank you. Thank you. I'm still... Actually, am I still insecure? I think I was insecure. I was super insecure like a month or two ago, like especially around the 1 year mark. I was like, I'm comparing myself to all these other people who are doing better than me, but there's also people who are doing worse than me in flavor, in terms of numbers, which is probably awkward and rude of me to point that out, but I can't stop analyzing because it is kind of important to me. It is kind of important to me because I do care about, I guess, there being potential in this long term for me and having a community and all. Neo hates us. Ironically, I was thinking Twitch partner was harder, but I guess wait, Jesterman. Oh, I'm talking about affiliate. So Twitch has earlier monetization than YouTube, but it's at a 50-50 split instead of YouTube is, I think, always 70-30. Feel like I would struggle to hit 3 concurrent if I were on Twitch. There was a Giga clip where she was talking about you just get like a couple friends to watch you. Understandable, that's where I'm at, and I constantly forget that I'm actually doing better than a couple of people I know who started before me, but I try to motivate everyone in flavor to grow. I mean, Twitch affiliate, oh yeah. I'm insecure about my writing, I write anyway because I think it's fun. Yeah, that's the thing. There's 2 ways to look at it, right? There's the, you're doing this as a hobby, in which case the numbers don't matter. You can have fun, or just making whatever. But even if you're doing it as a hobby, right? Maybe you probably want at least some people to see it, right? I don't know. I watched a video last night and it was partially like educational, but also kind of just motivational for me. I was saying most content on YouTube sucks. The reason you aren't getting views on your video is because you haven't understood what makes an entertaining, engaging video, and you aren't trying. Basically, you aren't trying. Right? If you look at your YouTube homepage, you can look at title thumbnails, you can think about what makes a good title thumbnail. You can watch those videos, you can think about what makes an engaging video, and you can do that. Right? It's doable, it's accessible. YouTube isn't saturated, and skill issue basically was the message I got from that video. And unironically, I think it kind of changed my mindset, because I think I've been worrying about stuff like male VTuber debuff and all that, and I don't know. Now I'm thinking of it as algo equals audience. Your goal is to engage the audience and keep them watching, keep them interested in what you're doing, what you're saying, what you're talking about, right? And also skill issue. Because I was getting to this point where I was talking about like hobby mindset versus career mindset on like content creation. No one's going to tell you that your content sucks to your face unless you're like really, really pissing someone off, because that would be rude, right? But if your goal is to do this as a career, then I think you've got to be able to tell yourself that your content sucks and like, what can I do to improve it, right? Like constructive criticism, but for yourself, because no one else is going to really give you that. I guess if you know the right people or talk to them, right? Then maybe you can get some honest feedback on, like critical feedback on your content, not just like the sympathetic feedback. Yeah, I guess that's where my headspace is at. That's what I've been thinking about. And surprisingly, I don't feel discouraged, like thinking about my content sucks skill issue, right? Somehow I feel more motivated to make it better, to get more people interested in, I don't know, what I'm doing. Still haven't done much coding here, but I kind of want to catch up in chat. You're your biggest critic? Yeah, me. I'm my biggest critic. I've been thinking about this from like the perspective of singing, right? My singing, I always talk about how my singing sucks, and then I got people complimenting me on my singing. But I know it sucks because it's not getting views. So it sucks from a commercial standpoint, right? And that's not even completely true, because like some of my covers get some views, but it's not like crazy views, right? I guess again, it's like the hobby versus commercial mindset, like hobby versus career thing mindset, and then it's the like you're not going to get constructive criticism, or really just criticism, that much criticism from people in public because that would be rude of them to do that, right? And so part of me feels like I need to provide that for myself. Being commercial and marketable doesn't correlate with quality, just like at most pop artists. That is true. Definitely. In fact, that's one of the points of the video I watched made here. The video was, where did I post it? A video called "It's So Easy to Compete on YouTube Now" by Silver. This video is the one I watched last night that, I don't know, I've been thinking about talking about. The fact that you do covers is already so huge. It's awesome you care so much about quality. Yeah. Yeah, not, well, yeah. Yeah, it's that. And also, like, there's, I mean, I've said this like 3 times already. Sorry, I'm looping a bit, but, you know, there's the hobby mindset, and there's, like, trying to do this as a career mindset. And I still feel like I'm in a weird middle ground where, like, obviously I'm not making money from it, right? Well, that's not entirely true. People have given me some money, so thank you for that. But I'm not, like, making a living off of it, right? I can't support myself off of content creation right now. Although I'm not really supporting myself off of anything right now. Well, yeah. People are fine being rude online. Audience engagement is important. There's so many different ways audiences can engage with content creators. I think getting shots and it being consistent / building up a library is more important even if the content is mid. Haven't even posted anywhere yet. I probably will later in the year, like Railroad or Honey Feed or something. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't think video quality in absolute terms correlates to success on YouTube. Yeah, again, so that was a big point of the video I watched. That the viewers don't care about quality. It's not even about value. It's not about value. People say, oh, you need to provide value. And they say in business, in content creation, whatever, you need to provide value. Like, is the slop that gets views, like AI slop on YouTube Shorts, is that valuable? No, but people watch it, right? Because it's engaging, and that's what actually really matters, at least was the point the video was making mostly. Possible to get views with 0 effort, 1-take content, just record and post BS. It's probably true, yeah. I mean, so easy, why doesn't everyone do it, right? Although maybe it is that easy and just no one thinks to do it. I have no idea. Yeah, friends. VTubing is so worth it. It took me 2 years to get over 5 years, but every stream felt worth it because it's what I love. I love it too, yeah. Actually, that is one reason that I care. Right? I talked about this on another stream, right? My eventual goal of content creation is to, you know, quote unquote make it as a content creator, to like make a living off of it, right? But that's because I know that I won't be able to survive without a job for forever, and I love doing this. So it stems from me loving this and wanting to continue doing this. Alright, I scroll down a bit. Oh my god. Who gave me money? Jacob! God damn it. Thank you for the $2. I raised that minimum because I was sad that the fixed transaction fee took up so much of the $1.50. Thank you. I already did that rant. I already did that rant in the Super Mario 64 stream, didn't I? It's not about me saving those extra cents. It's about me not wanting to give more money to the middlemen on principle. I'm playing ball hopping between hobby and serious system streaming. It's really hard to do. Yeah, it's I feel like I'm in a weird state, like it's weird in between state with it. But I want to take it more seriously. And I also feel like I haven't been I guess, fully trying. Or at least, I don't know, holding myself back in some ways and not being fully confident and not being fully as energetic and engaging as I think I have been in the past. Well, I guess all yesterday I felt like super energized and engaged and focused and in it. Guess I misheard and thought the video was saying the opposite. Success equals luck plus preparedness. You gotta be prepared when that lucky break hits, right? When I think Pirate Software talked about it when he blew up on YouTube Shorts. There was like another period where he blew up before that, but he wasn't like ready to sustain the audience that ended up coming to see him, and it didn't last, or it didn't blow him up like it did recently with YouTube Shorts. Actually, how recent was that? It was probably like over a year ago, right? I wouldn't have fun making slop, so it's not an option for me. That's not true, but I'm going to make high effort slop, I promise. It's becoming a professional game dev in the cards. I suppose this isn't like completely wasted time, right? I am working on a game that is a portfolio project potentially. There's something that I could, potentially show to an employer and dox myself as being Neopolino, right? Right? Yeah, but again, game dev industry and also wider software industry, not fun, at least for me wanting to find a job. I honestly, part of the reason that I am doing streaming right now is because I am, would you call it running away? You might call it running away from responsibility, but not wanting to deal with a job market that does not need or does not want more junior software devs. Expensive date. Explain it well, it made sense. Echoing professional game dev, except I think just like coding small apps and selling them on itch and Gumroad for 99 cents might be an angle I've thought about. Basically the pay-to-play side of content creation. But if you're selling to consumers, you gotta be really value-minded. That makes sense, yeah. Escapism. A little bit, yeah. Yeah, I guess I just haven't spent a ton of time thinking about that avenue, and I'm not entirely sure what I would make or want to make in that sort of, I don't know, 99-cent app world or ad-supported something app world. It seems like it's kind of a tough market on mobile too, right? But I don't know. Me actually looking for app ideas from random people. Having a good idea is the hard part. Yeah, let's just recreate. Let's just make our own Snapchat. Let's just make our own Uber. Let's just make our own app for food delivery or something. And you gotta hire a team, and you gotta hire lawyers, you gotta hire and suddenly you're starting a business and you're competing in a market where it's already dominated by very large companies that have a big advantage over you. One thing I've thought about realistically selling up on Gumroad, for example, is like a Japan stock footage image set. That makes sense, yeah. That could be something you could do. It could be doable. The other avenue I hear of is like selling game assets. Not just art assets, but code assets too, like the Unity asset store and stuff like that. Like for a project even I was working on, for when I was working on FPS Survivors, the Rust, the custom like performant Rust layer was getting kind of annoying to deal with, and there's probably going to be a lot of pre-made stuff in Unity. I was like looking up flow field pathfinding, and someone made a Unity asset for it, and it's paid, but it's not like absurdly expensive. It was probably like under $100. You know, in the context of making a commercial game project. Seems a bit more reasonable. But yeah, I don't know, I guess my mind right now is on this thing. This thing, fixing bug. Alright, by Sad Neo, Dogboy, by the VTuber formerly known as Abigail Lanamoya. Alright. Speaking of VTubers, it's been a lot of graduations, huh? Been a lot of graduations, a lot of reincarnations too. A lot of shaking up. I'm still sad that Beatani never returned. But oh well. Oh well. So what's the plan? What did I do? Let's see. BGM. Damage numbers. All right. Yep. Get tree paused. Pause menu. Move it up. Okay. So pause. Make it actually pause the tree. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna. I don't even care. I'm not gonna worry about versions that much. Can't let the graduations get us done. Down. Fauna had me in tears the other day. I didn't watch the actual graduation, but also I kind of haven't been watching. Is it large corporate VTubers as much for a while now, actually, and I think that might also be holding me back. Just forgetting what makes good content in VTubing from like a numbers standpoint, right? And again, not just a number standpoint, but like being entertaining and being interesting and funny and all that standpoint, right? I was talking in the last stream where I was watching Rie's call-in stream and thinking that this is really funny and entertaining, and it's also getting good numbers. Could these two things possibly be correlated? Could these two things possibly be correlated? Does entertainment value actually correlate with the numbers, right? Had to do a double take today when I read the words Pippa in graduation. I know. I watched her for a bit. I remember when Pippa like responded to her on Twitter and like it was like encouraging and actually really nice. Even though people were like, hey, comparing her to Pipkin Pippa. Fair, they're really hard to keep up with. Yeah. Man. Okay, what else did we come do? Game. Alright. Character. Set mouse over state every frame. Alright, we're get pushing to the GitHub. Which fix are you working on now? Okay. Make the pause screen actually pause. Done. Fix the freaking skill buttons. Alright. Probably caused by other characters being after the current character, and the tooltip is a child of each character. Try extracting the tooltip into a single UI element that's above after the character container in main. Add global signals / add to globals as necessary. Get reference of current character and add to tooltip when opening. Close the tooltip on clicking off. So we're gonna have to do some refactoring. Let's look at this. So right now, the tooltip is a child of the character, and that is the cause of all of our issues, all of our problems in the world. Oh boy, this one. Yep, the big one. The big, well, I don't know how big it's actually gonna be, but you know. All these are inside the thing. This character export bar is gonna be the problem here. So, here's the plan. Let's see. Load from chart.f. Load chart. Ooh. Should characters have a reference to their character definition? Probably. I should probably do that. That would make this a lot easier, so I'm going to do that. Let's do that. var char.def is a character definition. This will mostly be so we can access it in the tooltip. And in, where is it? Load from char.def. Also set it in my duplicate. New char.char.def equals self char.def. Yep, that duplicate function we had to make ourselves. Load from character definition. Do self.chardef equals chardef. Okay. There's this channel on YouTube called Highboy. It's a shitpost movie review channel. When I found him, he had less than 1k subs and he's making those videos for over 5 years. And then one day the algo blessed him and he gained over 2 million subs in 2 weeks. It was insane watching that happen in real time. Holy shit, man. Watch Highboy today. Damn. Popping off feels wild. Yeah. I have no idea what's... if anything like that could happen. Actually, no. Wait. The thing that's been on my mind is that I don't think I have enough clippable moments. Like, I've heard that advice a number of times, right? The goal with a stream... I think Ludwig said this. Your goal with the stream exists for the clip. And the clip is how you actually grow as a streamer. And I don't think I have enough clippable moments. Like, thinking back to my history of the games I've been playing and how I stream when I'm playing them, I don't think I'm energetic or, like, talking enough for the clip to be that interesting. Like, I don't know, I was watching some Face Connect clips and thinking that was, like, really fucking funny. But I don't think I've been having those moments. And so that's one thing I want to work on, actually. I clipped you before that. I know. I don't know if this is, like, rude of me to say, but I don't know. It's also me being self-deprecating, I guess. But I don't think I don't think my moments are clippable enough. I don't think they're, like, interesting enough to really pop off as a clip, right? That's another thing I've been thinking about. Anyway, speaking of the whole, like, it's very difficult to get proper constructive criticism, so you probably need to become your own worst critic, or, like, use you being your own worst critic to your advantage. I had a plan. I was planning that I, like, rate my own performance at the end of a stream from now on, and also write down any moments I think that were good or, like, clippable. I don't know when I'm going to start doing that, but it's an idea I've had. But also thank you for for clipping me too. That's labor. That's labor that I value more than any monetary donation right now at this point. But also thank you for the monetary donations, Chico Champa. I don't know about the importance of clips, but I am trying to use video shorts live on my own channel, and I think just getting all three could be good. Actually I have been doing all three, and the shorts have been somewhat good to me. Like, a few of them have gotten 500-ish views. Skill for real. I wouldn't call it labor. I literally clip from my phone. No, but you took your time. You took time out of your day. Well, not only are you taking time out of your day to watch this right now, that is also very valuable to me, right? In the algo, but also for, like, my sanity and feeling like I have an audience, right? But beyond that, going out of your way to find a moment in stream and then, you know, clip it, right? That's mostly for my benefit. You are doing labor for me, right? That maybe I would have had to do on my own if I hadn't, you know, if you hadn't done it. So thank you. One of the best ways to come up with ideas is just bouncing ideas off others. Even if you talk to no one and pretend someone's there, thinking out loud gets you questioning. Yeah, I need to talk to myself more. I need to be more crazy. But clip funny. I wish the clip feature on YouTube wasn't so buried. And also dog shit. Like, Twitch, you can click the clip button and you can edit a YouTube short and upload it to YouTube Shorts and TikTok immediately from the Twitch clipping feature. And it's so easy to do that. On YouTube, you just click clip, and no one sees it ever because it's not advertised anywhere. And it's like, what is YouTube doing not making something like this? They have the video editing stuff, but like, oh my god. YouTube clips aren't real clips. I know, right? Wait at least another year until they figure out how to copy Twitch clipping. I swear to God, YouTube, get your shit together. Get your shit together. Me biting the hand that is not currently feeding me, but potentially could be feeding me in the future. Yeah, fuck you, hand. I'm gonna call you out on your being inferior to your competitors in terms of streaming features. At least they support like 1440p and stuff. I mean, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I'm not even streaming in 1440p right now. Actually, I've been on ultra low latency for the interactivity and all, and I think it hurts the video quality kind of significantly. At least this one, I'm not playing like a super high action game, so the bitrate probably isn't that bad. Probably less readable downscaling from 1440p to 1080p. Anyway, what am I doing? Characters now have a character definition. Character tooltip. Character tooltip, the script load chardef. Ability info container. Let's clear ability and func clear abilities. Let's make a function. Yep, I'm gonna define that function. I love defining functions. Think the quality seems great. Okay, good to good to know. Yeah, but also this isn't like a I'm not playing Ultra Kill or something, so the bitrate's probably fine, right? All right, for child in ability info container dot get children. Child queue free, and then yeah, ability infos dot clear. Level up button pressed. Character level up ability. You know what? Okay, let's change this to load character, because now the character has a reference to the character definition. So character.chardef. Oh, that's a variable. We also store reference. Okay, sure. Yeah, you can keep a reference to the character definition, I guess, if you want. If you really want. Okay, character update level up buttons. The character's current skill points. If skill points is less than or equal to 0, return. So don't do anything. In case anything funky happens with the UI. And finally coding in the coding stream. No more yapping. No more yapping about content creation, taking things seriously, ego numbers comparison. And I hope I'm not reaching that point where I know it seems like I have a big ego or anything. I'm not. Yeah, we love yapping. Again, I feel kind of rude bringing it up in general, because again, I know what it's like to be jealous of another creator for having bigger number than you, and maybe making like similar kind of content to you. But I know that's like not a good thought to have. That's not a good mindset to have. God. Not perfect is what I'm saying. But I want to be perfect. But I can't be perfect. It's pretty easy to get humbled on YouTube. That's okay. Yeah. None of us are perfect. All of us have sinned. All of us. All of us. Honestly, sometimes you see someone with more subs, but their channel is struggling for engagement anyways, and that must really suck too. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I guess so too. Wherever you are. You're gonna get there, it just takes time to grow and learn how you want to approach content. Yeah. Yeah. I need to reframe. Yeah, stop thinking about male VTuber debuff and just approach it from the standpoint of content creation. Growing as a content creator is hard no matter what you do. If anything, it's more that there's a female VTuber buff. Sorry, not trying to be not trying to be rude here. But I think there's something inherently entertaining in being a female and piloting a cute model and being cute. Right? In terms of like, that is what audiences want. But like, from the point of view of it being content creation, no matter what you do, you have to have something that people want to watch, right? Something interesting. Again, I hope this isn't rude. I hope I'm not being rude here. But I'm trying to, I don't know, rationalize it, or just trying to like theory craft around it. I don't know, trying to create a framework in my head for I guess understanding this whole making content and making good content thing. You bring up a lot of good food for thought. It's good to hear. It's good to hear. Think about this stuff. Think about this stuff. It runs around in my mind. And that's probably good for the sake of me having things to yap about on stream. I also don't stress about. I think you're saying things that make sense. It's just that most often the brainworms clog our ears so we can't listen. Clarity. That's what I want. I want a clarity of mind. And I guess understanding of the whole, the nature of content creation as a business. If I'm being debuffed by making video essays, or for you being a male VTuber, like I'm already debuffed by not making ASMR slime videos or whatever. We need brain birds to eat the brainworms. I'll eat the brainworms. I will eat the worms. I will kill them all. And we will be free of brainworms. And we all achieve perfect mental clarity, and we will achieve our greatest ambitions, and we will do everything we want to do. In theory, I hope at least. Need to invest in livestock brain birds. I'm trying to make it with the content I want to make. Don't eat the bug. Yeah. Yeah, that's the other thing, right? When I say I want to make my content more engaging, it's not from a point of view I want to sell out and do things that I wouldn't want to make. No, I want to make this. I want to make content that is interesting and engaging to people, right? I don't want to make slop. I want to... I don't know. That video I keep going back to, was it? It's easy to make it on YouTube. They made a big point of there's two niches on YouTube, entertainment and education. And you can do one, you can do both. But if you do neither, then you're not going to succeed, right? And so I've been thinking about all the content I watch in terms of like education and entertainment now. Like I think I watch a lot of educational style creators, but they're also entertaining at the same time, right? Like, I don't know, Private Software Shorts or Primogen or who else am I thinking about? Giga's clips. Daily Giga, I watch that channel a lot. It's a mix of what you love and what works, but finding the niche and doing it well is extremely difficult. You have more ideas than you have the will to execute, or the other way around. I'm not sure. I think I'm sort of balanced there, but also I think for a long time I've been kind of low in both categories. But right now, I feel like I have the will to execute on this game project specifically. So that's good. As an education learning channel, I think being educational is a meme unless you're literally teaching math or something. It's all entertainment and emotion. Well, as a viewer, right, you're still learning something from an entertaining educational video, right? I think... I'm thinking about 3 Blue 1 Brown actually right now, because I remember watching his stuff a long time ago, but like recently I haven't been watching his stuff as much. And I wonder how much of it is like the nature of the subjects he chooses are just... is just so at such a complex level of math that it's nearly impossible to make it like super entertaining. Or maybe that's just, I don't know. Maybe that's also cope. Maybe you can make anything entertaining, right? I'd like to see a channel doing like the content, the topics that 3 Blue 1 Brown covers, but like even more entertaining. And 3 Blue 1 Brown is already like really well made and really well presented. But I get the feeling that it could be more entertaining for my Zoomer brain with no attention span. Maybe I'm too cynical. I don't compromise with the factual content, but I'm not expecting people to actually learn/retain anything. Oh, that's true. Oh, that part of it, right? You're not actually... what's the word? No one's actually retaining the educational part of the educational content. That's probably quite true. Yeah. I think learning from a YouTube video is really good at making you think you learned something, but less good at actually like teaching you something in a practical, applicable way. Also, I guess there's different levels to it, right? Like, there's more general advice that can be maybe still works in like a short, entertaining YouTube video. Whereas, I don't know, more technical knowledge or like math knowledge, you still need to practice that to like really understand it. If I give someone a framework for thinking about something they watch, though, I guess that's golden and think that's feasible. Yeah, because at the end of the day, like, you're not going to learn all of Japanese. You're not going to become fluent in Japanese from watching one video, but if you watch a lot of videos on Japanese, then you can learn like a decent chunk of stuff about the language. And then if you just start consuming native content, then you can also just get better at understanding Japanese, right? But I guess language learning is its own kind of thing. It's a bit different from other subjects, but also still kind of similar. Like, there's still a rote memorization part. Okay. Load character. Load char. Load character is character def. Clear abilities. Do for child and ability info container get children child queue free. Ability info is clear. This should work now, right? Or rather, this breaks something somewhere. I don't know where load char was getting called. Hold on. Find. Oh, here in character GD. Wait, what? Character GD. 367 character tooltip. Why'd you bring me? Oh, here. Duh. Really, the content in my video is for me, and what people do if it is up to them. I'm mostly chasing my own research interests. I think we'll be punching for others. So I'm going to even the whole distracting you. No, it's all good. If I really wanted to get stuff done, I'm enjoying chatting. I also don't have a deadline anymore. So that's another reason I'm not doing the Pomodoro right now. But if I really wanted to get work done, I would just close chat. Smile. I'm not. And I'm having fun. I'm having fun. I'm talking to chat and I'm talking. I am hopefully being engaging. I am hopefully doing my job as a creator to make that freaking number go up, right? In this case, the number might also be like average view duration, which from my understanding, YouTube pays attention to a lot. A lot, I think. I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, We got this, load from char def. Okay, let's get rid of the reference to the character tooltip entirely. And the goal will be to have a single tooltip instance and have a global signal that lets us open the tooltip from whenever we click on the character. Was it tooltip was visible? This stuff. Yeah, this stuff. Right, okay. Global signals, character. Def engage with this, even if you don't think so. You're doing a great job thinking me here, at least. Thanks. I believe watch time is the North Star metric on YouTube. On Instagram, I think it's reach. Yeah. I still feel like YouTube is the platform I'm most familiar with, but that's just because I watch a lot of YouTube. I've been watching a lot of YouTube. I've been addicted to YouTube for quite a long time in my life. And I guess that's what led me here. I'm so scared of Instagram. Oh. I've been off Instagram for a long time. Here or otherwise. I was born and raised on Twitter. I cannot leave my shell. I'm not sure if that's better or where I think I was raised on Reddit, actually. When I think about the website I spent the most time on in my youth, that makes me feel old just calling it my youth. It was probably Reddit. I'm a Redditor. I was raised on iFunny. Oh yeah, and all the Reddit memes making fun of iFunny when they're like equally as dumb, right? It's all slop, it's all reposts, it's all garbage all the way down. iFunny mentioned. Big metric on Twitter, I think Reddit is engagement. So like interactions on the post, right? Fortunately, it's a bit easier to bait engagement than watch time, maybe. Oh, true. Yeah. Actually, the reason I say it's watch time is because I've seen a bunch of, was it Spiffing Brits videos on gaming the YouTube algorithm. This video will break the YouTube algorithm, and it's just a video that's like at 4 times speed, and it tells you to watch it at 0.25 times speed, so that YouTube thinks you get 4 times the the average view duration on the video. On YouTube, my heuristic is watch time trumps engagement. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. And judging from like what the metric that the platform probably cares about in terms of like showing ads to people, that, you know, correlates, right? And I remember I was wondering why, was it my Snowhalation video? The Snowhalation meme video? It had like, I don't know, 30 views, but it had like 9,000 impressions on YouTube. I was like, why is YouTube showing this to so many people? And I think it was because of the watch time. I think it was because of watch time. I was wondering why, like, you know, no one's clicking on this, and yet YouTube is still showing it to people. It's probably the watch time. Love the Snowhalation vid. Thanks. Thanks. I haven't done singing in a while because I was sick, right, for a while. And I'm like, I say I'm still recovering, but I'm probably like fully recovered by now. I could probably get back into it. But also my nose feels a little stuffy right now. I don't know. YouTube's mad wacky, man. Yeah, how does the algo work? It's all numbers. It's a series of pipes, tubes. Okay. In main. Here, let's make a. Do I instantiate? Yeah, instantiate child scene. Character tooltip. This is a panel container. Anchor's top left. I'll just have it how I had it in the character. Just child of control, and then move that control, and then anchored center left. Okay, sure. So reparent to a new node. Control. Ability menu. This goes above the character container. This is above in the input ordering. And we have a script, and we do something, 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 something. Is this content educational for anyone? Does anyone follow along with the coding, or is it just for me yapping and having something to put on in the background? I mean, that's fine too. That's fine too, right? If the metric is average view duration, then that's even more reason why a second monitor watcher is the most valuable watcher. The second monitor watcher who's lurking, they are the most valuable viewer. Right? If the metric is average view duration. At least based on how I use it. Get acknowledged. Get acknowledged, lurkers. I'm falling a bit. That's good. That's good to hear. I hope, actually, what is it? They always say that if you can explain something clearly and simply, then that means you understand it well. So I hope that I'm able to do that for the code that I'm working on. Mostly watching while I'm work on commissions. Nice. Nice. Get that work done. Get that money. Get that bread. Get the something. What am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I? Character tooltip. Alright, we're in character tooltip. I'm going to have to get rid of these or change these. So, Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Let's see. So update skill points. This might be awkward to work with. This might be annoying. Right now we're connecting the signals. Character skill points changed. But where is it? Update. Where do we actually have the? Hold on, I open the scene. Oh, level up button pressed, connect. This. Okay, this is where we. Yeah. This is where we thing. This is where we thing. This is where we level up the thing. And that should trigger, that should change some values on character, which should call these signals. And that is going to be very awkward to change. We're gonna have to change a lot to get this to do what we want it to. We got character skill points changed, character ability levels changed, character cur level changed. So I think I just make like a unified update visual every, update everything. Func update all. Yeah, just call it update all. All right. In this, we call update level up buttons using character.skill points. We call update skill points using character skill points. We call update ability levels using characters ability levels. And we call update char level bonus character dot, is it cur level? Yeah, cur level. So we make this update all function. We get rid of these. We get rid of all of this, actually, yeah. By ready function. Oops. Oop. Update level up buttons, update skill points, update ability levels, update char level. This is... Yeah, eventually I'm gonna get tired, and then I'm gonna be less engaging, and the stream is gonna be worse for it. Ah! Damn it, I gotta feel more motivated when I say stuff like that. Not less. Call it immediately after upgrading. Like, yeah, that's my plan. So make the update all function, and then here, after level up ability, call update all. And then we can also, or I guess we're calling, okay, Yeah. Do I need a... Do I need a... Do I need to? No, yeah, I should just call update all. Now that we set the self character equals character. Chart F also we keep a reference to? I don't know why. Self name level. Character level up ability. Update all and then update all. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Thanks. Thanks. Backseat gaming, annoying. Backseat programming, 10 out of 10, love it. And now we get rid of the export bar? Yeah, we got rid of export bar. So now it's just var character. Character definition, ability infos. Yep. Okay, so now when you click on a character to open the tooltip, we're going to call a global signal. So let's make a global signal. Actually, let's just repurpose this global signal. We don't need close all tooltips now. Do we actually? Or are we handling that all in the tooltip itself? The plan is, if the tooltip is open and you click off the tooltip, including like dragging a character or something, then hide the tooltip. So I think we can handle that all in the tooltip itself. So I'm getting rid of close all tooltips. But also I need to find all references to it and get rid of them. Which is only here? Oh yeah, it's only in... Oh. I guess we do need a reference to it. Close. I guess it's... at this point, I should be considering renaming it. No, I'm not going to rename it. Close character tooltip. I'm renaming it. I'm renaming the signal. Whoops. Or this isn't a signal, this is a function. Global signals, close character tooltip. Character tooltip opened. Hold on. This needs to send a character with it. Yep. Constantly fighting the urge to grab your keyboard and do it instead. Sorry, I'm yapping. This is open source technically, so if you want to be added as contributor. Yeah, you can just take the mental burden off for me by literally doing my job for me. So close character tooltip, we'll have... Do you put it in game state? Do you put it in game state? I mean, why not? Yeah. Var character tooltip is a character tooltip? Yes. Huh. Make this game state dot character tooltip dot. Do we hide it? We can just use hide show, right? We're not doing anything special. No, we're not using anything special, right? Character tooltip opened. That is in global signals in the tooltip. Yeah, in character tooltip. Clear abilities, update in load char. In ready. Finally, the ready function does something. In global signals, character tooltip opened. Connect to load char. Load char and then show. Fuck it. Load char and show. Char is a character. Maybe I should be using char if that's a global function already. Yeah, it's a global function. Whatever. I'm not even using that, so who cares, right? Load char, and then self dot show. Load char and show. I don't know why I did it this way instead of just anonymous function or whatever. Whatever. Game state character tooltip equals self. It's just me. All right, character. Kill this. Beat it to death with hammers. Dead. All right. Main. We have the is it char tooltip container whatever. I'm just gonna call it that. Even though it's not really a container. I'm just gonna call it char tooltip parent. And this should You know what? Do I need like a char tooltip constraint? No, I should just keep this all this logic here. How about, hold on, all these are set. Export var. This feels a little messy, but whatever. Char tooltip parent is a control. This will be used to set the position. That's this. And in load char, actually, in load char and show, I'm gonna set the char tooltip parent dot global position equals char dot global position. Okay, and now global signals character tooltip opened. We have to pass ourselves in character. So this we no longer have a reference to character tooltip. Or we should get rid of this, yeah. In character. Script is not working, so it hasn't updated in the editor. Get rid of that. When we open the character, the tooltip. So, get rid of this. Here. So if the drag initial mouse pause, the distance to the final pause, less than 50. Ideally, we probably want to check the total mouse distance traveled. But whatever. Emit with self. Get rid of that. Okay. And that should open the character tooltip. And that should be it. Get rid of this. Okay, and this one line should open the tooltip. And now I need the logic to close the tooltip when you click off of it. Which I probably want to use this. And is actually, yeah, okay, so if input self, yeah, okay, so let's see. If it's be in process then? Yeah, it's probably got to be in process. Func, process, delta float, so if input dot is action, just press click. If click was just pressed, then we do or if self visible, yeah, if visible and we clicked. So if visible and we clicked, we get the mouse pause with call self dot get global mouse position. And then rect, we need to get that. Rect is gonna be self, yeah. Self dot get global rect. If yeah, if the rect does not have our thing, then hide. Hide. Okay. And we probably want this anchor. We did center left, I think. Let's see this horribly fail. Or maybe it actually works first time. Holy shit. Holy shit. Check this out. That's a little awkward, though. If you click back on the character, but who actually does that? Chat, is this weird? Chat, is this weird behavior? If you click, hold on, let me mute the music. Okay, if we click on the character and then we click on them again, now the menu opens again. Is this weird behavior? Like, is this? I mean, at the very least, it seems to be working totally fine now. Ah, so much better. So much better. Kinda? On the other hand, first try. Chat, is this real? Chat, is this chat? It just works. Kind of. Let's move a little bit based on how, yeah, okay. I mean, that's fine, right? So how would we rectify that? Like, if you click on another character, you probably want it to open the menu. I mean, it is like a million times better already, though. Let's see. Ah! Where are we? Combat Manager? Oh, just remove the chart tooltip visible false. Add global signals. Why is this in global signals when it's a when it's a function, man? Why is this in global signals when it's a function, man? Put this in game state, man. Put this in game state. What am I doing, man? Also, whatever, it's a little messy. Okay. Here, global signal, yeah. Global signal? Yeah. Not this. What was it? Close character tooltip. Where is it? Is it just called in here? We use the same name? Okay, yeah, it's just called in comment. Okay. Game state, close character tooltip. Nah, I mean, I could just access the tooltip directly from gamestate.character tool. Okay. Okay. I'm still slightly annoyed that you click on the character and it reopens the tooltip if it was open the last time. So the challenge here is going to be the ordering. Because right now I do this in process, right? Input is action, just press click. That's going to be on the same frame, actually. It's going to be on the same frame as this input is action, just press click. And so we don't know the execution order. Which is going to be the problem because I want to know whether or not the tooltip was open on this character. Damn, now I have to actually think. And thinking is boring. Thinking is not engaging for chat. Let's hope you have this on the second monitor and you're not gonna get bored after 5 minutes of science. Does it close when you press or when you release? Oh, that is a good point. I could change it. I could change it. Actually, I do like that solution. Yeah, I could just change it to close on release. And then here. Tooltip was visible. Yeah, tooltip was visible. Just set that to, yeah. tooltip was visible equals. Character tooltip dot character equals self and game state character tooltip visible. Okay. An alternative to handle this on underscore process would be to have an invisible button on top of the sprite to handle mouse. Oh, right. So, actually, hold on. No, I can't just change. Yeah, the character tooltip. Okay. Right now, what are we doing? Because right now, character tooltip closes itself here in process. That is based on is action just press click, and then we are clicking outside of the tooltip, which includes clicking on the character. In character, we open the tooltip every time. Huh. What if I... Holy shit, is that a bot on Twitch that Seribot did not kill? Oh, Seribot did kill it. Okay, good. Nice. Maybe keep the process for dragging the character and move the tooltip logic to the button idea. Like an invisible button, like over the character? Wait. That still works because on character we are now setting the... Yeah, we're now setting the mouse over every frame based on the mouse position, like globally. Move the tooltip logic to the button. Invisible button on top of the sprite to handle mouse. So an invisible button over the character. When you click on the character, you click on the button. So you click on the button, on button pressed, open the tooltip of the character. And then the tooltip closes itself when you click off. Wait a minute, how could this... Wouldn't that always open the tooltip when you let go of the character? It wouldn't capture the mouse for dragging. I think we fixed that with this change that I made off. Did I make this on stream? Yeah, I changed this on stream. So this is now regardless of the input ordering or whatever. I'm back. How's coding going? Good. We ran into another snag though. Well, it works, but when you click on the character and you click on the character again, it just closes and reopens the tooltip. Which honestly isn't that bad. But like this is now working. The input is no longer being eaten by random shit. The tooltip is just working. Right? How it be sometimes. It do be. Yeah, and this is like the last thing I wanted to do for the, I don't know, during judging period bug fixes that the judges are okay with because they're pretty chill. They just said probably don't do any new content during the judging period. But this is still in the bug fix tier. I mean, even this is good. This is like a million times better, so I should probably just save it at that committed. Man, I could go for some Costco pizza right now, except I'm not even that hungry, so maybe I don't really need a Costco pizza right now. But character tooltip. Use single tooltip on top. Okay, there we go. So much more playable. I still want to change this behavior though, because Costco's closed, right? Probably. And no, I don't have a leftover pizza. And no, even if I did, you couldn't have any. Because it's all for me. Yeah, it's just a little awkward. Oh, you know what? You know what I could do? Something like var. Hold on, let's close this. var was tooltip open for character is a bool. And we set this. When do we set this? We set this every time. Here. We set this every time we character tooltip opened. So game state, character tooltip, or sorry, global signals, character tooltip open, connect, func char is a character, self dot tooltip was tooltip open for character is char double equals self. Yeah. And we reset this every time every time what? So here, if was tooltip open for character, then don't open the tooltip. And set was tooltip open to character to false. Else we open the tooltip. This works, right? Watch me. Watch this. Watch this. It's gonna work. Would you look at that? It's still doing something weird sometimes. What just happened? Why is Hime Why is Hime trapped in the drag state forever? What did I do? Reroll button works? Is the game paused? Hime freeze. Oh no. Oh, the pause button, the pause menu stays in the options menu if you close it during the, yeah, whatever. I could fix that though. What actually happened there? Uh-oh. Wait, why can't she? Oh no. The hidden tooltip is eating inputs now. I think that's what it is. Unless... Also ordering of the of the characters too. Player characters need to be in front of the shop characters. There's something weird about it still. I think. I can't tell. There, we got the weird behavior. We killed Hime. What is going on here? What actually? Pause. Remote tree. Main. Character container. Find the Hime. Actually, what the hell happened? Or it's paused right now, but yeah, this first character is Hime. Draggable on, mouse over on. Was tooltip open for character true? What? What is... How do I debug this? How do I... How am I supposed to figure out what's going on here? Oh, frick. Oh, no. Oh, no. Last tweet, last me kill. Man, this function's pretty damn long. Whatever. Actually, what the hell? I can pause too. I can pause. I can't drag any other characters. Wait. Game state is dragging true. Drag char self. If is action press click and game state drag char is self. Elif action just release. So this happened on release, right? Game state is dragging false. Game state drag char null. And go. Oh no. Hey Dogboy, hello Chase Rabbit. Welcome, welcome. I don't know if you've been following the Game Jam project, but it's released, it's playable. I'm squashing bugs. And this is what the hell is this? Actually, what the hell happened to my Hime? So if the sprite is in the drags, yeah, it's still in the drag state. Does that mean this never happened? Is action just really... Hold on. If mouse over and draggable. Mouse over state isn't getting updated. And it isn't for any of the characters, actually. Quietly, yeah, but yeah. Thank you. Oh, what the hell is this? What fresh hell have I unleashed upon my... It couldn't be the pause state, could it? If I start combat. What? 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 My Hime is broken forever? And also I can't drag anything. Huh. Did you break 400 subs? You're doing so good lately? During the jam streams. During like a number. I don't know, like a couple streams ago actually, yeah. Yeah, I've been thinking about I don't know, the whole numbers and everything, and I don't know, I've been reframing my mind to be more, if I'm not popping off, it's because skill issue, and I need to be more entertaining, but like in a way that is motivating and not soul crushing. I guess. I don't know. I guess it's hard to explain, but I feel like I'm in a good mindset right now. Chase the hedgehog? I mean rabbit? Chase hedgehog? Chase the? Is your middle name the? Here with so many other amazing characters like Sonic the Hedgehog, Shadow the Hedgehog. Jesus the Christ. Don't get it twisted. Your effort is predetermined. Lock in. If you lock in, you can do anything. Get it twisted. But I've been thinking more about male VTuber debuff. I'm reframing it in my mind. The way I'm framing male VTuber debuff now is it's actually female VTuber buff. And you need to treat male VTuber as being any other content creator. Female doing cute things in cute VTuber model is inherently entertaining to an audience. And if you don't have that, then you need to insert the entertaining part yourself. That's my new mindset on male VTuber debuff. So anyway, that was kind of I feel like that came out of nowhere, but anyway, yeah, more content creation mindset. Stuff. Why is this happening though? Oh god. Oh god. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? How did I get here? It was going so well, and then I found that there is a bug. Let's see if we can like recreate it. If I can get consistent reproduction, then that'll help a lot, I think. This is a little weird. It's almost like the input's getting eaten or something. There, we got it. Very well. We killed the Hime. How do I repro this? Damn. Like ideally we'd be able to debugger it, right? But then I have to put a breakpoint like here in is action just released. Huh. Like it's gotta be there, right? Unless, self-visible and is action just press click. I'm gonna break one here and see. Take it easy, I'm tired, so lurk maxing. Thank you. I was theory crafting earlier in the stream. I think lurkers are the most important viewers because... Oh. Whoops. Because YouTube cares about average view duration. And so if you have a lurker on the second monitor, if you're a lurker who's watching on the second monitor, they're the most valuable viewer because they are the ones who will probably have the highest average view duration. YouTube's recommended your streams 4 days in a row. You win. Holy shit. Algorithm's actually doing something for me? Also, welcome, Purist. Thank you. Maybe you're doing something right with these streams. Or maybe I'm letting things get to my head and I need to think about something else. Lurker's good and don't actively say slurs. TVH, that's how I found the stream too? Wait, holy shit. There is one thing I did recently and was put Face Connect, Pippa, Jelly, and Rie in the tags of the streams. And that might have been a little underhanded, but it's technically relevant because they are characters in the game that I'm working on right now. So that could have had something to do with it, but also I hope that the stream is entertaining enough that people want to watch it. I admit I peeked in once or twice before, so it might be a bit of a self-fulfilling prophecy. That's how I found the stream too. As long as it works. Don't worry, I've used tags too. Okay. Good to know. Oh no, but now I'm telling that I'm doing it. Which is going to be bad for my Octos when I could have just been doing it silently. So related people get so bad with tags. Gotta go sleep. Nice job today. Thanks. I hope I can figure this last thing out because it's very annoying. And thanks for showing up. Anyway. Seriously, how do I recreate this bug? Nice Fox! OMG, he knows the game exploded. Oh, is it that people you know are also watching the stream? Oh, that could be it too. That could be it too. Drag to an empty slot. Create the tween. Alright, continue. Wondering if I just get rid of these tweens and like entirely. Right, die. Please recreate the bug so I can know that I know. Using tags of VTubers is actually limiting your reach since they have small channels relative to other tag sizes. I was talking about the tags. Keep abusing them. Icebox, is that you, buddy? Hello, Will Sleep's not. Wait. Where are all these people? Do you all know each other or something? Is it like Small World, or is it just you happen to all be recommended the same stream? Am I targeting like a very specific niche or something? Anyway, since they have small channels relative to other tag sizes, are you saying I should abuse other tags? Are you saying I should abuse more tags, like the Among Us, Call of Duty, I don't know, everything super mainstream something tags? Thing is, YouTube literally tells you that tags don't impact your like visibility that much. It's more for if search terms are commonly misspelled. So I wonder how much it actually matters. Maybe they just say they don't matter, but actually they do really matter. I'm trying to recreate a bug. Yeah, please. Is it even gonna reach this case though? If it's like it's getting stuck in the dragging state, it looks like. So if anything, it's probably like not reaching this line is the problem. Bow bow. Bow bow. Bow bow. There. We killed Hime. Is it the tween? Is action just released? So hold on. Is action just pressed? Is action pressed? Wait, if it's not just pressed and it's not currently pressed, then wouldn't it always be this case? Hold on. Let's test. Else. Hold on, this might fix it. Let's see. Sorry for sudden bust out there, just got caught off guard by Icebox being here. Oh, we killed her still. Okay, it's not that. Oh, what the hell is it? Oh my god. Wow. VTubers then limited to phase, then specific phase talent. You're targeting a niche of phaser fans that like similar talents. Bow bow. Bow bow. So you're saying that putting tags like that is going to target you specifically to phase fans? Huh. Bow bow. I mean, in a way, that is the target audience for this game, right? This is a Phase Connect fan game, after all. That was too cute. Was it? I haven't practiced in a while. I'm just doing my thing. Just something. I'd really want to figure out why this freaking thing is broken. Lurk, please have a great stream, Neo. Good luck with everyone. Thank you. And thank you, lurkers. Oh god, why is this broken? Was this bug present at all, like in the... Hold on. Actually, if I undo the was tooltip open, yeah, if I undo this change, or just make it so it always does this. Like, effectively, this is undoing the change, right? If I do this, does the bug ever happen? Phase fans are hundreds of thousands of people, so while small and large scale, YouTube's still massive. Yeah, larger than my current audience, right? Larger than whatever the heck I've been doing so far, right? Is this what they talk about when they say people are like grifters or leeching or whatever? I mean, I'm literally making a fan game, so... Oh, we broke it still. Okay, so it wasn't that. Hold on. Remote tree, main, character container, character. This is Rie. Draggable on, mouse over off. Game state drag char is self. So I need to look at game state. Game state is dragging true. Wait, does it have to do with like rapid mouse clicks or something? Wait a minute. Actually work now since what? Watching makes me want to work on stuff. I guess that's good. Yeah, if my work can inspire other people to do cool stuff, it's great. You're targeting a micronation. The algorithm is using a social graph of the viewers that watch similar talents and face community content. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not planning on keeping those tags for anything other than like this project, right? But something to think about, I guess. I don't actually, I mean, I have no idea whether or not that's true or not, right? We don't know the internals of the YouTube algorithm much. We can just make inferences. But they say tags don't impact your stream's visibility that much, your video or whatever. Okay, well, if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I don't know. Anyway, so the problem is, was it game state is dragging false? What is the problem? Is it possible for like a click and release to happen on the same frame or something? And we probably want like a debounce or something ideally for inputs. Ideally. I'm not gonna worry about it that much though. So hold on. What did we notice? It was game state is dragging was still true. Game state drag char was still Rie. But we weren't clicking. Mouse over and draggable. Oh, is it this? Wait. What was our logic here? Mouse over is true. Elif not dragging. It's probably this. It's probably related to this, right? Mouse over here. Let's get that background music back on for my sanity. I don't want to be alone with the thoughts. Oh god, okay. It's probably related to this. I'm just guessing. Kind of. Could just change this to else and see, but something about that seems weird. It's going to make the sprite big. I think that's fine though. Something weird happened there. At the very least, this makes it so it's fixable, but it's still happening. There, okay. Okay, bug state again. Try and click on another character. Nothing happens. We fixed Rie, kind of? What the heck? Okay, broken again. Does it have to do with... Oh! Oh, it's the mouse. It's a mouse over. Wait, why are we even... Why are we checking... Hold on. If draggable. If mouse over and is pressed click. I think I know now. What? What? Where'd they go? Wait, I leveled up? I ate the shop characters? Oh no. Oh no, something. Oh. Oh god. Oh man. What was this before? Aleph not dragging. What if I just do, was it? And not game state is dragging. While we're dragging, do not change the mouse over state. Okay, and also I can change back this here. Okay. Because that was not the issue. Okay. All right. We can do this. We can do this. This works. Weird thing happens with shop characters, I think. Did that change fix it though? I think that did actually. Hold on. Yeah, it was yeah, mouse over, the mouse over part. Ooh, huh. I think we might have been dragging multiple characters. Hold on, is input just released? Probably also add this and check here for safety. And I think it's gonna behave, should behave well, hopefully. Yeah, no weird eating of characters. Only one character is moused over at a time. Unless they're overlapping, then I think weird things can happen if they overlap. But that's now an edge case, so I'm gonna not worry about it. Oh my god, the game is so playable now. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good for tonight. I'm gonna... yeah. Here. Why don't we poison you? Love potion. We love potion now. Maybe Pippa should have been in front. Okay, either way. Yeah, I'll do one playthrough. I want a jelly for the income ability. We didn't get jelly, but I'll level up Ria, I guess. Kind of try a love potion build. I don't know how good it is. One in venom. Ha ba ba ba. Okay. Give me Hacker Man. Give me Pippa, I guess. Gun? No, let's go strength. Yeah. I guess we're leveling Pippa. Yeah, let's just go level 3 Gamer Rage. This is the poison enemy team. The poison encounter. If I make this an NPC fight, I'm just gonna rename the jellies to Jerry or something. Okay. What am I going for? Hacker Man, that's what I was going for. Because I want the income. No jelly. Okay. Give me... if we're going strength, I guess we go Pafu Bite. What? Just... Okay, there we go. Pafu Bite. And we're out of money. No interest. Which is... Yeah. Probably... The interest mechanic is making me lean more towards... Oh, actually... I mean, it's still a mechanic in, like, other Autobattlers, right? I just don't know, because I don't play PvP Autobattlers that much. Or at all. So, this does have... Yeah, this gets, like, 2 range, right? Yeah, Hacker Man gets 2 range. So, I think... Stop going for Jelly at this point. I'm gonna level Pippa. If we're going strength, then also level Ripper. If I had a lock mechanic, I would lock now. I think I'll go for second Jelly in case I can get more Hacker Man income. But also, yeah, okay. Also, we're already at 7 wins, so... Uh-oh. 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 We're dead. Never mind. I need to level up my Pippa. And I guess also my Rie. Oh yeah, give range on the love potion. Okay, there we go. I'm gaming. I'm gaming. I'm gaming my own game. I said I wanted Hacker Man. Also, I'm not on hard mode, so this is going to be easy mode. Alright, 331 Rie. And now we're dominating. Maybe I should make that more visible, the hard mode, I think. Alright, Walmart. Rolling for Jelly. Why? Because I want income from Hacker Man. Roll for Jelly? Nope. That's fine. Victory! You win! Oh, the shop characters are there too. But I can't buy anything? Okay, yeah. Alright, cool. GG. What if I add a hard mode toggle at the you win screen? Actually, I have an idea. On the you win screen, I'm just gonna say, also, this needs to be hidden by default. Okay, so do that. And also commit this. Do character, yeah. Tooltip, clean up character, tooltip behavior. Sure. Push that. What else do I want? What else am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, right. So, how about if you're not on hard mode, then on the victory screen, or is it result screen? This one, right? Wait a minute. Unready bar result label. Where am I even referencing this? Wait, what? Wait, what? Result screen dot result label. Result screen. Oh, it's in Comment Manager? Yeah. Oh, result screen, result label, text. Here. Now try hard mode. Theme also. Yeah, let's load the theme. So also do hard mode label. Hard mode label. Access unique name. Hard mode label. Access and comment manager. Result screen dot hard mode label dot visible equals game state dot not game state hard mode. There. So if you win, if you win on easy mode, it'll say now try hard mode. Let's open the cheats menu just for testing. Just max the REA. Feed the REA. And Requiem, I guess. And then, alright, I guess I have give friend character XP as well. This debug menu should probably, okay, whatever. It's a debug menu. Doesn't need a V. Sell this REA, buy a jelly, give level up jelly, give her Hacker Man maxed, and smoke, and buy a Pippa, and then max the Piba, and give Piba, what do I give Piba? Strength buff. Now Pippa is tanking the front line, gives REA buffs, start combat. And yeah, this is just for testing. Should probably add more debug menus if I really want to test stuff like this quickly. Yeah, maybe I kind of want to watch more of the Bazaar and figure out more about how that game works and maybe take some inspiration. But I already have some ideas based on like Balatro, or inspired by Balatro, inspired by Slay the Spire. So maybe that'll be enough. I have so much money when I'm not spending my money. Victory. You win, now try hard mode. Alright, quit. Options, hard mode. Start. It'll be exactly the same due to how hard mode works. This is a Requiem Hime. Let's buy a Pippa. Give her XP. 313 seems to be the meta build for me. Oh, whoops. Okay, whatever. 313. Reroll. Do another give XP. 313. And I guess I'll buy a jelly. Give XP. Build Hackerman, and then I guess the armor down is useful for Ring Blast. It's probably enough to beat all the encounters. Alright. We'll see. Curious what the fastest killing team is now. Some are more defense, some are more offense oriented, right? But stacking Pippas like doubles the strength buffs. That's kind of powerful. Yay. We have more levels than you. You win. Alright, there's nothing more. The last thing is I want the shop characters I want the shop characters to be behind the player characters, but I'm not sure if there's actually a way to do that consistently. I guess there's, yeah, I could just set Z index, right? Hmm. Huh. Guess I could just set Z index on the characters, right? Here. So reroll characters. Char load from character definition. Char dot Z. Wait, character is it's a node 2D. Z index. It's a character also. Char Z index equals -1. And then in character, when you buy from the shop, buy the character, self Z index equals 0. That should do it. Are you kidding me? That did not do it. Wait. Now this pip was in front. Yeah, that was just the order in the rendering. Although it's not the character itself, right? It's the yeah. Yeah, it's this VBox container, I guess. All right, whatever. Character dot. Yeah, it's this VBox container that I want to set the Z index of, really. So actually, maybe add a function or something on character, right? What is this called? Chat, what is this container called? What do I name this? It's not the sprite, it's not the price, it's the name, it's the level, it's skill points, it's abilities. Info, character info? What is it? I'll just call it character info or something. Yeah. Export var char info container is a container. Okay. And set Z index. Do value is an int. Self Z index equals value, and then container info container dot Z index equals value. Overrides. Yeah, okay, I need to rename this. This is like what? Custom set Z index? That is technically just may not work as expected. This won't get called late. Okay, yeah. I'll just call it set info Z index, even though it's also setting our own. Okay, whatever. Okay, so where do I do this? Yeah, when buying from the shop, set info Z index 0, and then in the shop should have Z index -1. Set info Z index -1. Okay, hopefully this does it. This did not do it. Oh my god, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. Oh, the sprite too. I guess, yeah, I guess I need to set the Z index on the self sprite dot Z index equals value. There we go. Take away from the shop, now they're in front. There we go. All right. I like that. Okay, I think that's the last thing I wanted to fix. Info Z index, alright. Target info container. Hard mode label stuff I will set in another commit. Okay. Character. Put shop characters behind team. And then add this. Results. Add try hard mode text. You should try hard. Try hard. All right. That's a lot of commits. That's a lot of commits. This is going to be kind of a long changelog for the updated thing. Let's see. Let's take a look. Let's take a look on itch.io. I'm going to first export this. Project, export, web, export project. I'm exporting with debug, even though I guess I probably shouldn't, whatever. This PC, my stuff, my Godot projects, my export folder. Do rename this to index.html. Add to zip folder. Here. Phase, Snow, Autobattler. Jam, bug fix 1. This is the bug fixes during the jam bug fixes. Oh, I wanted to make a logo for the game too. God yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm doing that tomorrow morning. I'm gonna save that for tomorrow morning because it's getting kind of late and I'm getting a little tired. Okay, tomorrow morning, work on the game logo and do some social posts. For now, just upload the edit game. Base no Autobattler. Upload files. Number 15. Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you'd want in your game jam game is annoying UI bugs. But as it turns out, that might be what you get. Except now it's fixed. This will be played in the browser. Move this up to the top. I will keep the older version in there. All right. And then save just in case. All right. Let's update that. Do notes. To make a Discord. To make a Discord server because I do actually think I should do it and also kind of want to do it. So that's that. Where should I put the changelog? After credits? Yeah. How about at the bottom? Yeah. All right. Changelog. All right. Post jam deadline. What do you call this? Post jam, but still during the jam. Bug fix 1. Here, let me show my browser window now. No sensitive information here. Tiki smile. The post-jam bug fixes. What am I doing? Post deadline bug fix. Bug fix update 1. Here, update 1. Post jam deadline bug fix update. The post jam deadline. Yeah, the post jam deadline. Whatever. Post jam deadline bug fix update. Changelog 2022. Unordered list. I'm going to go through the git log. So, last night, sound, add BGM volume. That's the last change. Okay. BGM, fix BGM not looping. Git commit messages are usually written in present tense, but I'll just do past tense because I think that's more normal for patch notes, right? Fix character mouse over state. Getting bugged when alt tabbing. Pause. Pause menu now actually pauses the game. Mouse over state everything. That's part of the fixing the mouse over state bugged on alt tab. Most importantly, probably put this at the top. Fixed character ability pop-up menu buttons. Not working properly. Alright, fixed character ability pop-up menu buttons not working properly. Although I call it, yeah. Well, if it's called the tooltip in code, I'll call it the character tooltip button. Yeah, whatever. Fixed, adjusted character tooltip behavior, even though it's not really a tooltip. It's a pop-up menu, really. Fix BGM not looping. Fix character mouse over state getting bugged while tabbing. Pause menu actually pauses the game. Characters in shop now are now drawn behind characters in your team. Added text to results screen. A message to try hard mode when beating the game on easy mode. Normal mode. Hold on. Oh, if you lose, do I still... Hold on, comment manager. Result screen. Oh, I might need to push another update. Result screen. Oh, it's still visible on the lose. Oh, whoops. Oops. What am I doing here? And just add a line to the comment manager script. Okay, comment manager, when you lose, it says you lose, results, screen, hard mode label dot visible equals false. Oops. Comment manager, results screen, fix, showing hard mode label on loss. Oops, get push. Okay. Export again, god dang it. Ah, dang it. I am going to zip this. Add to website zip. Oh god. There's nothing I'm missing here, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, the debug menu's still a bit buggy, but okay. WebZip. Base, no, Autobattler. Damn, bug fix 1. Okay. It's been re-exported. To fix the hard mode text being shown when on loss as well. Okay, I'm gonna upload this. Is my internet okay? I'm dropping frames! I'm dropping frames! No! Play it in the browser, move it up to the top. Jam. The OG Jam release. Cool. Save. View page. Alright. Woo! Yay. Credits. Notes. Credits. Ah. Base no Autobattler. Notes. Credits. Changelog. Update 1. Post jam deadline bug fix update. Fix character tooltip buttons not working. Adjust character tooltip behavior. Fix BGM not looping. Fix character mouse overstaking bug while tabbing. Pause menu actually pauses the game. Characters in shop are now drawn behind characters in your team. Add message try hard mode when being the game on hard mode. Or on normal mode. I want to make this link color a bit more visible. Contrasty. Alright, save. That's nicer. Alright. Okay. Alright, kill me. Defeat. 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 You lose. Alright, cool. Game. Game is updated. Alright, there we go. Alright, so plan from here. UI that actually works. Yippee. Thank God. Closability menus. Yep, done that. Cover art and then promo posts tomorrow. Tomorrow. I'll save that for tomorrow. Alright, thank you all for coming. This has been another productive stream, surprisingly. A lot of yapping too, though. But not bad yapping. Good yapping, hopefully. Oh, right. I was talking earlier. I wanted to, like, rate my performance myself after the stream because I want to, like, well, one, be my own worst critic, but also, like, get critical feedback, which I don't expect from anyone else, so I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to give myself my own critical feedback. Thank you for stream. Thank you. Thank you, Angel Case Morgie. Thank you, Morgie. But yeah, how do I feel about the stream? Above average. I feel like most of my streams have been, I don't know, kind of low energy, and I feel like this was higher energy, which is good. For, I don't know, a number of reasons. Like, it's kind of excited working on a project like this. So I was planning, I'm going to rate each stream out of 5. So since this is above average, I'll say this is a 4 out of 5. And what I want to do long term is, I guess, compare whether my judgment of whether a stream is good or not correlates with number, with the performance of the stream in, like, YouTube and all, and Twitch too, I guess. And then do I think there are any clippable moments? I think there's some, like, longer tangents. I'm not sure how clear I was in my speech. It did seem a bit rambly to me in my head, just judging myself. but I think like maybe potentially someone could find it interesting, right? So like potentially the conversation about, I don't know, my mindset with my theory on male VTuber debuff not being real and it's just female VTuber buff. And I guess that's it. Yeah, I don't know. Unless you find me freaking out about bugs in my game, in my code to be entertaining. Maybe that's entertaining for someone. Cheers. All right, time for parasocial name reading. Get acknowledged, everyone. Thank you, JKVT. Thank you, Angel Kicks Morgy. Thank you, Danica. Thank you, Crazy XP. I think that was that a bot? I don't know. Thank you, Temtempai. Thank you, Teresa Nadia. Thank you, Isla. Thank you, Chica Champon. Thank you, Oni Wolfly. Thank you, Felix Valenti. Thank you, Ice Fox. Thank you, Revany. Thank you, Danica. Thank you, Psych Locust. Thank you, Chase the Rabbit. Thank you, Morgy again on YouTube. Excuse me. Thank you, Purist. Thank you, Mixin' Horror. Thank you, Will Sleeps Not. All right, this has been another Neopolino stream. Paga got noticed. Nice. Nice. All right, cool. That's cool. Inked Renegade, I see you lurking on on Twitch. Get called out. It's okay. It's okay. We kind of know each other. Okay. Get called out. All right. What am I doing now? Who am I? Also, hello. I'm ending. I'm ending. I'm tired. Oh, Traub's live again. All right, let's raid Traub again. All right, we're raiding Traub on Twitch, and I don't know what else. What else? Oh my god. We're raiding Traub on YouTube as well then. Okay. Let's do. Also, I just manually approved a comment on YouTube. Baptiste nuts. Okay. Go to bed? Yeah. Alright, unofficial. Here we go. Alright, bye. Otsu. Otsu Neo. Bye.